So are you moving to Warner Robins and you're looking for a solid house that's under $200,000? Well, we've got the place for you. This house tour is at 109 Fisher Street in Warner Robins. Now, it's centrally located in the middle of Warner Robins. It's easy to everything. It's right off of Watson Boulevard. So you're less than 5 minutes from shopping, groceries, restaurants, used car lots, everything. Now, this is actually a 4-bed, 1.5 bath, 1,900 square foot solid brick house. Now, of course, it was originally a 3-bedroom, but the garage has been closed off and sealed off and turned into an extra bedroom, which you can turn into an office, a nursery, or just an extra den, or continue to use it as a bedroom. So let's go in and take a look and see if this house is something that you want to make an offer on. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little tour of 109 Fisher Street. Again, this house is going to be is on the market right now. And if you're looking for a solid house that's under $200,000, make sure to reach out to me. My information is in the description below, and I'll talk to you on the next video.